So this is an example of what perhaps a brother introduction video might look like. Okay, so as long as you got a laptop or a computer that has a webcam, you can do this. Okay, I'm using a product called Screencast-O-Matic. It's screencast one word dash o dash matic.com, free screen recorder. And something like this, you can do up to 5 minutes. Okay, if it's a screen recording, you can do longer, but webcam 5 minutes max. Keeps it nice and short and sweet. You're kind of limited by what you can do. Something like this, you could have brothers log in, set this up, and then start talking. Basically, hey, my name's Howard Botting. My name's Brother Howard Botting. I pledged in spring of 1986. One of 13 alligators that semester. We started off with, I think, 17 or 18 guys, but after the first week, we lost some guys that just weren't up to the task of doing the pledging program. My hometown is Bridgeport, New York. My big brother is Brother C.J. Hebert from Carthage, New York, which is up near Watertown in the Fort Drum Army Base. My big brother was an English major. I was a business major when I pledged. I'm currently a teacher right now. Came back to Oswego after being in the business world for 12 years and got my teaching certification. I enjoy what I do. It's a lot of fun. My goals are to finish teaching in about 9 more years from now, and then I can retire and do fun stuff. Okay. Things I do for fun right now, work on my old car. That's my old car up there. I'm a technology teacher, so we get to make things like this with my kids in the classroom. Hand-built picture frame that they've designed, and then use the laser engraver to engrave their designs. So that's about it. You could do something like this and post them, and then the Gators could watch the videos. They could have a document that they have to fill out where they prove that they've watched the videos. Okay, or you could sign one Gator to each brother. Maybe they interview their big brother one day and they interview someone else another day, and then they actually create a video to show what they've learned. These videos can be used to help the other Gators learn about the other brothers when they can't actually talk to them. Neat, huh? Okay, I'm gonna pause. Actually, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna send you a link.